Hi, I'm going to show you Holdefi. It's a decentralized protocol powered by smart contracts that allows everyone to lend and borrow with their crypto assets. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and we can just start. So as you can see, they are now on Kovan testnet and will be on mainnet soon. And you can use Holdefi and hold your crypto while spending. And here you have the explanation video about the Holdefi. It's 1 minute and 45 seconds long, but I will just tell you the information about Holdefi today in this video. And here is the market overview. So here is the total collateral, so $46.92 million, total supply $15.71 million, and total borrow $7.47 million. Here are the all markets, so DI, USDC, BUSD, USDT, total supply APR, total borrow and borrow APR. As you can see, that's a 5% on each market. And here are the collaterals. So Ethereum $30.45 thousand, W Bitcoin is $40.16 million, and BAT, so the basic attention token, it's a $6.73 million. And here is the history of Holdefi. And so this is the roadmap, you know, and it all started in 2018. So inquire the Ethereum technology, smart contracts and DeFi systems, find the problem and prototype the idea. And in 2019 it was a birth of the Holdefi original concept after months of brainstorming, design and architecture of the Holdefi main protocol, seed fund and project operation and implementation. And here you can see in 2021 the ideas are a public sale beta version on mainnet, token governance model, and adding on Binance Smart Chain. So BSC is popular now, so it will be a great thing that they will just be on Binance Smart Chain, because they will for 100% earn a lot of investors and people that will be interested in the Holdefi project. And Holdefi version 2 and more to come, as you can see, coming soon, so we got to wait for it. Alright, and we can just enter, I think. So when you are on the homepage, you just got to click enter, then you will just be on the app.holdefi.com site, and here will be this information, and it says create crypto wallets and load again. When you just click it, then this site is refreshing and you can just choose your wallet to get started. You can just use MetaMask, Ledger or Trezor, or you can just continue without wallet, but I will just connect it with MetaMask. Then you got to login, and then you got to select your account. I will just select the Ledger and then just connect it. But as you can see, you got to connect to a Kovan testnet. So to make it, you got to click the MetaMask, and then here you have this networks, and you got to select the Kovan testnet, and then you just have this. So asset, your wallet balance, supplied balance, and APR, and you can just click deposit, and here will be your supply rate, total supply and total borrow. And here you have this supply rate. As you can see, you can just check it on this chart, or you can just borrow, and then you have to choose your collateral. So for example, Ethereum, and here will be the value to loan rate. So here for Ethereum it's 135% and penalty rate 15%. You can just make W Bitcoin, it will be 150% loan rate and 12% penalty rate, or the BAT token, so 165% loan rate and 20% penalty rate. And then for example you make deposit collateral, and here this assets to borrow on this collateral. You have here the details. For example, you click here, so the USDT. You have the market, borrow rate, total supply, total borrow, and value to loan rate, and penalty rate. And here, as you can see, you have the form, so the private token sale. You can just fill this out and be a part of the private token sale. And what you need to write is your email address, your name, your preferred social media ID for instant message contact, so for example Telegram, Skype, WhatsApp and others. Your chosen social media ID for instant message contact, and if you have read the documents of the project, how much are you willing to invest in the private sale of Holdefi, and the minimum of investment in the private sale is $20,000. If you are willing to invest as a business or personal, and how can you help Holdefi to grow? For example, act as a Holdefi ambassador, market expansion, strategic partnership, attract more capital to liquidity pool, product development, brand accreditation, or just a Holdefi promoter. And then you can just put your comment if you want and just click send, and then you have a chance to participate in the private token sale. And here you have the blog, so when you just click it, it's on Medium, and you have the articles about the Holdefi, informations or news, and you can just wait for the new news if you want. You have tokens, so information about the HLD token. A native token of Holdefi, so the HLD, was designed with one primary goal in mind, to achieve decentralization governance. The HLD token is an ERC20 Ethereum based that provides token holders to participate in governance, supporting a vote delegation process. HLD token holders and their delegates can discuss, propose and vote on any future changes to the Holdefi protocol. For instance, they can include new assets or change asset specific requirements on Holdefi. And here we have the token allocation. So the total supply of HLD is 100 million, seed fund 3 million investing 1 year, token sale 30 million, private sale 11 million vesting 6 months, public sale 2 million, no lockup, foundation 20 million vesting 4 years, team 15 million, 5 million no lockup and 10 million vesting 4 years, ecosystem growth pool 47 million, 7 million no lockup and 40 million vesting 4 years, smart drop 1 million no lockup and advisor 1 million vesting 4 years. And here you can just check it, like ecosystem growth pool is 47, foundation 20, team 15, token sale 13, seed fund 3, advisor 1 and smart drop 1. And here the token sales data. So total tokens to play, as I said, 100 million, initial circulating supply, I said it already, seed fund $0.25, seed fund allocation 3 million vesting 1 year, private sale token price $0.49, private sale allocation 11 million vesting 6 months, public sale token price $0.625, public sale allocation 2 million no lockup, the remaining tokens from the private sale no lockup, and token type ERC20. And here the fund allocation, so 15% partnership, 5% legal and audit fee, business development 30%, marketing 30%, and technical development 20%. And here the token release schedule, so you have public sale, smart drop, private sale, seed fund, team, advisor, foundation and EGP. As you can see, here's the public sale and 4 years later. And here's the token overview and use cases. So we have protocol governance, burning, liquidity mining, call staking, and revenue sharing. And you have the documents too, so docs.holdefi.com, and here the introduction to Holdefi. You have the protocol, supplier, borrowers, liquidation conditions, FAQ, so here you have the questions and answers. But if you have another questions, ideas or problems, then you can just contact them on Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and just write some admins and they will just reply to you. They will just help you out. Here is the Holdefi blue paper. As you can see, download it. You can just read the whole thing if you want and you are very interested in this project. You have the community, about them, developers, so smart contract modules, networks, gas costs, security, so Open Zeppelin audit, trails of bits audit, and bug bounty. And here you have the Twitter of Holdefi, 5,168 followers, Holdefi Discord, 38 members, and Holdefi Telegram, 5,418 members. And I think that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you like this site. If you like my video, you will just lend and borrow here on this site. And as I said, the private sale is live, so you just click it, and then you got to click here, sign in, and you will just fill this out, and you have a chance to participate in the Holdefi private token sale. You can just enter and open the application of Holdefi and just lend and borrow. Here you have earn, borrow, and I just showed you how to make it, and we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.